Florence, Mississippi, May 8th, 2026. Miss Birdsong, age 43, and her husband gunned down by a family member in a domestic violence incident. Domestic violence is always wrong. It's never ever right. And just don't do it. God bless the family and friends. Damn. Domestic violence is wrong. Don't do it.
New details in the breaking news you first saw on WLBT News at 6. Rankin County Sheriff Brian Bailey confirming 2 victims were killed in a shooting, and then the suspect took his own life. 3 near side first on the scene on Monterey Road, a little east of Highway 469, that's east of Florence. It started around 4 this afternoon. Sheriff Bailey says things escalated after a family dispute over land. One family member shot his relative and the woman who was with him. They died at the scene. Law enforcement arrived at the home. Sheriff Bailey says the family has a history of having a business involving guns, so law enforcement was very cautious when responding. Deputies tried to make contact with the suspect for a couple of hours. Never heard anything. They used equipment to search the house. They found the man dead in the bathroom of a self-inflicted gunshot wound. The sheriff says it's a tragedy.
It's just a sad situation for all the family members, and some of them up here earlier. There's 5 or 6 family members up here earlier, and it's just tearing the whole family apart. It's just a sad situation.
The names of the victims are not being released at this time.
A crucial reminder here, help is available. If you or anyone you know is a victim of domestic violence, you can call the phone number there on your screen or simply text the word START to 88788.
Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Please subscribe.